Have you ever felt like manifestation is a mystery only for a select few? Like no matter how much you try, your dreams just don't seem to come true the way others do? Well, I'm here to tell you there's a manifestation formula that successful people don't want you to know. The truth is they're not hiding it from you out of malice, but because this formula gives them an edge. And now, it's time to level the playing field. What if I told you that manifesting your desires could happen faster and easier than you ever imagined? Imagine being able to instantly align your thoughts, energy, and actions to make what you want a reality. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. In this message, I'll reveal the secret to unlocking this power, how you can manifest not just your dreams, but do so with lightning speed. Stick with me and I'll share exactly what they're not telling you, the mindset shifts that make all the difference, and the little-known hacks that can change your life today. Get ready, because this is about to transform the way you think about manifesting. Let's dive in. The science behind instant manifestation is deeply rooted in the connection between our thoughts and reality, a relationship that quantum physics and energy dynamics help explain. At its core, manifestation is the process of aligning our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the reality we desire. When we focus on a specific intention, we emit a vibrational frequency that can attract similar frequencies in the universe. This concept is grounded in the idea that everything, including our thoughts, is energy. Quantum physics reveals that particles are interconnected and influence each other regardless of distance, suggesting that our consciousness can influence the physical world. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement, shows that our intentions and emotions can directly impact the material world at a rapid pace. By aligning our thoughts with the frequency of what we want, we can create instant shifts in our reality. The more focused and aligned we are with our desires, the quicker these shifts happen. Energy plays a vital role in this process. When we maintain a high vibrational energy through positive thoughts and feelings, we accelerate the manifestation process. Negative emotions or doubts can lower our frequency and slow down results. By harnessing the power of our mind and emotions, we can consciously direct the energy around us, bringing our desires into existence faster. Instant manifestation isn't magic. It's a science of energy and thought. By understanding how thoughts and energy interact with the universe, we unlock the power to manifest with speed and precision. Breaking through limiting beliefs is essential for experiencing instant manifestation. These beliefs are the unconscious thought patterns that often hold us back from achieving our desires. Limiting beliefs, such as, "I'm not good enough," "I don't deserve success," or "manifestation takes time," create mental blocks that prevent us from aligning with the energy of abundance. When we carry these beliefs, we essentially block the flow of what we want, slowing down or even completely halting our manifestations. The first step in breaking through limiting beliefs is to identify them. Pay attention to negative self-talk and recurring thoughts that suggest you can't have what you want. Once you become aware of these beliefs, you can begin to dismantle them by questioning their validity. Ask yourself, is this belief really true? Or, what evidence do I have that contradicts this belief? Often these beliefs are based on past experiences or societal conditioning, not the truth of who you truly are. To replace limiting beliefs with empowering ones, start affirming positive statements that align with your desires. Instead of thinking, "I can't afford this," replace it with, "Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." By constantly shifting your thoughts to align with abundance, you rewire your brain to accept new possibilities. One powerful strategy to shift your mindset is practicing gratitude. Being thankful for what you already have opens up space for more to come. Additionally, visualizing your success and living as if it's already happening helps to anchor your new empowering beliefs. Over time, these mindset shifts will speed up the manifestation process, bringing your desires into your reality faster. The subconscious mind plays a pivotal role in the speed and effectiveness of manifestation. It holds our deeply ingrained beliefs, habits, and thought patterns, many of which influence how we experience reality. While our conscious mind may desire something, it's the subconscious that ultimately governs our actions, reactions, and the outcomes we attract. If the subconscious mind holds limiting beliefs or doubts about our ability to manifest, these beliefs create resistance, slowing down the manifestation process. To manifest quickly, it's essential to reprogram the subconscious to align with our desires. This involves identifying and addressing any limiting beliefs that contradict what we want. For example, if you subconsciously believe that money is scarce, you'll constantly attract financial struggles. By replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering ones, you create a mental environment that supports faster manifestation. One powerful tool for reprogramming the subconscious is affirmations. Repeating positive affirmations daily reinforces new beliefs, helping your subconscious mind accept them as truth. Affirmations such as, "I am worthy of abundance" or "I manifest effortlessly" signal to the subconscious that these are the new truths you're living by. Another effective technique is visualization. By vividly imagining the desired outcome, you create a strong mental image that your subconscious mind accepts as reality. The more real and emotional the visualization feels, the more quickly it can align with your actual experience. Meditation is another tool that helps bypass the conscious mind, allowing you to directly access and reprogram the subconscious. Through consistent practice, these methods train the subconscious to work in harmony with your conscious desires, resulting in faster and more powerful manifestations. Clarity of intention is a crucial factor in instant manifestation. When you are clear about what you want, the universe can respond with precision. Without clarity, your desires can become muddled, causing confusion and delays in the manifestation process. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. If you don't specify what you want, the waiter may bring you something you don't really want. The same principle applies to manifestation. If your intentions are unclear or vague, you may end up attracting results that don't align with your true desires. Being specific with what you ask the universe for is key to accelerating manifestation. Instead of saying, "I want more money," be specific about the amount and the purpose for which you want it. For example, "I want $5,000 to expand my business and create more opportunities," gives the universe a clear direction. The more specific and detailed your request, the faster and more accurately the universe can respond. To speed up manifestation, it's also important to focus your desires with unwavering attention. Avoid sending mixed signals by doubting or second-guessing yourself. Trusting that what you want is already on its way accelerates the process. A focused mindset is like a laser beam, directing energy precisely toward your goals. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can help you stay grounded in your intentions, keeping distractions at bay. When your desires are clear and you consistently focus on them, the universe can align with your intentions and bring them to you faster. Clarity is the key to making manifestation effortless and immediate. Faith and trust are fundamental elements in enhancing the speed of manifestation. When you have unwavering trust that your desires are already on their way, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, which accelerates the manifestation process. Faith is the belief that no matter how things look in the present moment, your desires are on their way. This belief helps you stay in a high vibration and prevents you from doubting or questioning the timing of your manifestation. Doubt is one of the most significant barriers to fast manifestation. When you doubt the process, you send mixed signals to the universe, slowing down or blocking the manifestation of your desires. Faith helps you move past doubt, allowing you to trust the process even when things aren't immediately visible. By cultivating trust in the unseen, you create an energetic pathway that invites your desires to flow into your life. Trusting the universe to deliver results quickly and effortlessly is an essential part of manifestation. The universe is always working behind the scenes to align people, circumstances, and opportunities to match your desires. When you trust this process, you let go of the need to control every step and instead allow things to unfold in divine timing. This sense of surrender not only reduces stress, but also speeds up the manifestation process, as you're no longer resisting the flow of energy. Trusting that everything is happening for you, not against you, creates an environment where your desires manifest effortlessly and with greater speed. Energy alignment is a key factor in the speed of manifestation. When your energy is aligned with your desires, the universe can effortlessly match your vibration, bringing what you want into your reality. Your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are all forms of energy, and when they are in harmony with your desires, manifestations happen quickly. The clearer and more aligned your energy is with what you wish to manifest, the faster the universe responds. Misalignment, on the other hand, creates resistance and delays your manifestations. To manifest instantly, it's essential to raise your energy vibration. One of the most effective ways to do this is through positive thinking and emotions. Practice gratitude daily. Being thankful for what you already have raises your frequency and makes you a magnet for more of what you want. Visualization is another powerful tool. By vividly imagining your desires already manifested, you align your energy with the outcome, sending a clear signal to the universe. Another practice to raise your vibration is meditation. It helps you center yourself, quiet your mind, and tune into higher frequencies. Breathing exercises and grounding techniques also help reset your energy and release negativity. Additionally, surrounding yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting people, music, or environments, keeps your energy high and aligned with abundance. To maintain high energy and positive thoughts consistently, it's important to be mindful of your emotional state throughout the day. Stay aware of how your thoughts make you feel and intentionally shift towards positive, empowering emotions. When you consciously align your energy with your desires, manifestation becomes a natural and rapid process. Manifesting with intention is one of the most powerful ways to speed up the manifestation process. Setting clear, purposeful intentions aligns your energy with your desires, making it easier for the universe to respond. When you are intentional about what you want, you send a clear signal to the universe, and the manifestation process becomes more focused and efficient. The power of setting an intention is that it is an active choice that engages both your conscious mind and subconscious, establishing a solid direction for your energy to flow. Intentional thought has a direct link to physical results. When you think with purpose, your thoughts begin to shape your reality. This is because focused, intentional thought creates a strong vibrational frequency, and the universe matches that frequency with corresponding events, people, and opportunities. Manifestation isn't just about wishing for something. It's about being clear on what you desire and aligning your thoughts and energy with that outcome. The clearer and more precise your intention, the faster the physical manifestation. To act in alignment with your goals and speed up manifestation, take inspired, purposeful action. Manifestation isn't just about thinking and visualizing. You must also take steps toward your desires. These actions don't always need to be huge, but they should be intentional. Whether it's researching a new opportunity, reaching out to someone, or simply showing up with a positive attitude, each small action moves you closer to your goal. Acting in alignment with your intentions creates momentum and accelerates the manifestation process. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for accelerating manifestation. It acts as a catalyst, amplifying the energy of your desires and creating an open channel for the universe to deliver what you want. When you practice gratitude, you align yourself with a vibration of abundance and appreciation, which is the perfect frequency for manifestation. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you already have, which in turn attracts more of the good things you're grateful for. By regularly practicing gratitude, you open the flow of abundance. The universe responds to the energy you put out, and when you express genuine gratitude, you attract more reasons to be thankful. This creates a cycle of positivity, where the more you appreciate, the more you manifest. Gratitude elevates your frequency, raising it to a level where abundance can easily flow into your life. It helps you to stay in a positive, receptive state, allowing your desires to manifest more quickly. To reinforce the speed and power of manifestation, use gratitude daily. When you wake up, express gratitude for the new opportunities of the day, the people around you, and the things you are manifesting. As you go about your day, find moments to appreciate even the small things, like a kind gesture or a beautiful moment in nature. This consistent practice of gratitude strengthens your connection to abundance, speeding up your manifestations and making them feel effortless. Gratitude not only accelerates the process, but also enhances the power of your manifestations, bringing them to you more swiftly and easily. Overcoming resistance is crucial to manifesting quickly and effectively. Inner resistance, often rooted in fear, doubt, or disbelief, is one of the main factors that delays manifestations. When you resist the natural flow of manifestation, you create energetic blocks that prevent your desires from coming into your reality. This resistance typically stems from limiting beliefs, past experiences, or societal conditioning that lead you to question whether you truly deserve or can have what you desire. Identifying these internal blocks is the first step in overcoming them. Doubt, fear, and disbelief are powerful forces that block quick results. Doubt creates uncertainty, fear brings up feelings of inadequacy, and disbelief prevents you from fully trusting the manifestation process. These emotions lower your vibration and interfere with your ability to receive what you want. To manifest instantly, you must release these negative emotions and cultivate trust in the process. One effective technique for releasing resistance is mindfulness. By staying present and observing your thoughts without judgment, you can recognize when resistance arises and consciously choose to let go of it. Affirmations are another powerful tool to overcome resistance. By repeating positive statements such as, "I am worthy of my desires," or "I trust the universe to bring me what I want," you reprogram your subconscious mind to accept your desires as already yours. Meditation is also a helpful practice, allowing you to quiet the mind and release any fears or doubts. Releasing resistance is a key to allowing faster manifestations to occur. By cultivating trust, letting go of limiting beliefs, and staying positive, you create a clear path for your desires to flow into your life quickly and effortlessly. And that's a wrap on the manifestation formula they don't want you to know. I hope this message has opened your eyes to the power you already have within you to manifest your desires faster, easier, and with intention. Remember, it's all about aligning your energy, mindset, and actions, and the universe will respond accordingly. If you're ready to start manifesting your dreams today, I'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share one thing you're manifesting right now and how you're going to align your energy to make it happen. I read every comment and can't wait to hear what amazing things you're calling into your life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another manifestation tip or secret. Keep believing, stay aligned, and trust the process. Your dreams are closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep manifesting.